Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create playlist on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create YouTube playlist on your YouTube channel. Creating playlist on YouTube can increase your views on channel. Playlists help organize your content, making it easier for viewers to find and watch related videos. Playlists appear in YouTube search results and recommended videos, increasing the chance of your content being discovered. Playlists encourage viewers to watch multiple videos in one session, increasing overall watch time and views. Playlists can be used to create a series or story arc, keeping viewers engaged and curious about what is next. Playlists can be optimized with keywords, descriptions, and tags, improving your channel's visibility in search results. Playlists help keep viewers engaged with your channel, reducing the likelihood of them leaving to search for other content. Playlists can attract new viewers who stumble upon your content while browsing through related playlists. Playlists provide insights into a viewer's behavior, helping you understand what works and what doesn't work. Playlists give your channel a more professional and organized appearance, making it more appealing to viewers and potential collaborators. So guys, there are so many benefits to creating playlists on your YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to maximize this benefit, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now in order to create a playlist on your YouTube channel is to go over to your YouTube Studio. Not your YouTube Studio app, I mean your YouTube Studio web, YouTube Studio online. So guys, now for you to do that, you have to go over to your browser. You have to tap on your browser to open it. Whichever browser that you're using will work out fine, but in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using the Chrome browser. So guys, let me tap on my Chrome browser right away. So guys, once you tap on your Chrome browser now, for you to log into your YouTube Studio, what you have to search for is studio.youtube.com. studio.youtube.com. That's what you're going to use to log into your YouTube Studio online. So guys, let me type it right away. Let me tap on search and let me type it in real quick, studio.youtube.com. So guys, now you can see it there at the top. So what I have to do now is to tap on enter. So let me tap on enter. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see I'm on my YouTube Studio online. This is the YouTube Studio web. You can actually access it from anywhere around the world by just searching for studio.youtube.com. So guys, once you're here, just make sure you're signed into the YouTube channel that you want to create the playlist on. So guys, as you can see here now, here's my YouTube Studio dashboard. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the content icon. You can see there on the left hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in again. So guys, now you can see the content icon there. The arrow is pointing at it. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I'm on my content page. This is where you're going to find all the videos that you've made and uploaded on your YouTube channel. You're going to find all of it right here. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to create a playlist is to first of all select the videos that you want to use in creating that playlist. A playlist can contain more than 500 videos and above. Let's say for instance you make tutorial videos on how to use WhatsApp and you've made over 500 videos on that topic. You can actually create one playlist and add those videos under that playlist. You can create a WhatsApp tutorial playlist and add all those videos, as many as they are, into one playlist. So guys, that's how it works. You have to first of all select the videos that you want to use to create the playlist. So guys, for you to do that, you have to tick those boxes right there. You can see the boxes that are next to the video. You can see the boxes there that are next to the video thumbnail. You can see it there. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in again. So guys, now you can see the boxes on the left hand side, the arrows are pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tick those boxes to select the videos that you want to use to create a playlist. So guys, now let me select videos right away. Let me just select two videos real quick. And let me select, which am I going to select now? Let me select video tutorials on Google AdSense, videos that I've created on Google AdSense, tutorial videos that I've created on Google AdSense. So guys, I've seen one of it. So let me select it now by ticking the box. So guys, now you can see that one has been selected. So let me select this one down here. Let me select it right away. So guys, now you can see I've selected two videos. You can go ahead to select up to 10, 50, 100, 500, as many as you want to select. So guys, now you can see I've selected these two. You can see there the arrows are pointing at it. So guys, now you can see I've selected my video. So let me zoom out now to show you guys the full screen. Let me zoom out so you can see the full screen. So guys, now you can see the full screen. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add to playlist. You can see there at the top the arrow is pointing at it. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly again. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in again. So guys, now you can see where it is written add to playlist. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the playlists I've created on my YouTube channel before. You can see there are actually 8 or 9 of them. So guys can see they've been encircled. So guys, now for you to actually create a new playlist, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written new playlist. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see it. So what I have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the first option, which is written new playlist. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on new playlist. Let me tap on it. So guys, let me zoom out now so you see the whole of the screen. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Create a playlist. You can see it. Let me zoom in again so you see it clearly. So guys, now you can see it. I hope you can see it clearly. You can see what is written there. Create a playlist. So guys, now you can see the first box over there is written title, add title. The second one there is written description, add description. While the third one there is visibility. That means you can decide to make it public or private, whichever one that you want. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to impute the title of your playlist and the description of your playlist. The description and the title of your playlist should be related to the kind of videos that you've selected to put under the playlist, so that people can actually find your videos and your playlist easily. So guys, now let me add the title and the description right away. Let me paste my title. I've already written it. So guys, now you can see I've added my title. Remember I said I want to select videos on Google AdSense. You can see the title, Google AdSense tutorial playlist. Monetize your website or YouTube channel. So guys, now let me go over to the next box there, which is description. So let me paste my description right away. I've already done that. Let me paste it. So guys, now you can see my description. You can see I added tags, I added hashtags, I added keywords and the rest of it. So guys, now over to the next box now, which is written visibility. You can see it right there, visibility. As you can see, there is at public. You can either change it from public to private or unlisted, so whichever one that you want. But let me leave it on public. I want mine to be public so people can easily find my playlist on YouTube and watch all my videos. So guys, now the next step you have to take now, after imputing your title, your description and your visibility, what you have to do now is to tap on create. You can see it there. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. So guys can see the create button right there. You can see it, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, you can see my playlist has been created. You can see it right there at the top. It has been added to my list of playlists. You can see it there at the top, being selected, being ticked. So guys can see it there. Let me zoom in so you see it clearly. So guys, now you can see it right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. Google AdSense tutorial playlist. So guys, now the final step you have to take now is to tap on save. It's very important. If you don't save it, it's not going to be saved. So guys, now you can see save here. It is written save at the bottom. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on save. So guys, now with this now you've been able now to create a playlist. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can find your playlist on your YouTube studio. What you have to do now is to tap on where you can see playlist. You can see it there at the top. Let me zoom in again so you see it clearly. Let me zoom in. So guys, now you can see the playlist right there. You can see the playlist, the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are the playlists I've created in my YouTube channel. Let me zoom out so you see it. Let me zoom out. So guys, now you can see all the playlists I've created in my YouTube channel. This is how you can actually find yours. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe I've been able now to show you guys how you can create a playlist on your YouTube channel. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.